is good, where we tell you your future.
My dear Sagittarius, welcome back. On Monday, if you are in a relationship, it's possible that you and your sweetheart are about to rethink how you cohabitate together. Family values and domestic needs are up for review. You might even be going back and forth discussing whether or not to have a child together. If you already have children, it's possible that you'll spend time discussing the radically different ways you each parent and how to reconcile this so that you're a united front. If you're single, you might need to consider how much you're letting the opinions of your relatives influence your romantic choices. This is a good time to be happy with your family members. However, you need to control your sweet intake. During this Venusian transit, it will be very hard for you to control your diabetes. So, if you already have that, then try to manage your sugar intake. Minor breathing issues can also come up, so try to stay away from cold food. Cold related allergies can be very much possible, and that can make you tired. There will be emotional issues, and please don't get into any verbal spat with your family members. There are some concerns for your family members as well. On Tuesday, talking about your feelings and deepest needs becomes paramount to you this week. You may know exactly how you feel and what you need from your partner, but you just can't manage to verbalize it in a way that's understood by your mate. You might even find yourself being more reactive than logical, which is only likely to make things more difficult in your love life. Are you overreacting to a situation or to something your lover says? Take a step back and see if you can uncover the genuine answer. If you're single, you could mentally drain yourself from overthinking any emotional lack you're feeling. Don't go down that rabbit hole. On Wednesday, you might be extra touchy this week about not feeling valued and appreciated by others, especially your partner. You may also feel like you're the one always giving and never being taken care of. If you harbor these feelings of resentment, it's a certain indicator that it must be addressed now. You're likely to sit and stew mentally, thinking about everything you have done in the past and how it wasn't reciprocated. It needs to stop. If you're single, it's possible that you realize you need to focus on getting your finances in order before you move on to your next relationship. On Thursday, Mercury turns retrograde in your sign, making it possible for you to think straight. You're likely to be a ball of reactive thoughts and emotions, and no matter how you try to communicate to others, it will come out all wrong. This isn't the time to initiate an important conversation with your partner or to try and make a decision together. Fortunately, the sun in your sign on Sunday will offer you a fresh start in the relationship department, regardless of what your current partnership status is. You just can't figure out how to implement it. Be picky. On Friday, there's more you're not saying to someone you love than what you are saying. That's a problem, and you know it. Yet you can't seem to get the words out no matter how much you realize you need to. As your words continue to get in the way of your love life, consider what's really happening. This silence is all about your insecurity of saying something that leads to you not receiving the emotional fulfillment you truly crave. You might fear rejection, or you might fear that revealing what you really desire will not be compatible with the person you desire it with. Either way, you need to work through the anxiety. It's time. Mercury was activating the reproductive organs for the week, but from this week, this influence can be complex. There are chances of a bacterial attack. Menstrual and sexual issues are also possible during this week. The pineal gland is also activated, so this is a good time for meditation as well. Whenever the moon aspects this sector for head and cranium, you may get minor issues like cold or body aches. Venus is influencing your lower abdomen, so there can be digestive issues too. It will be difficult for you to control your sugar intake, and that can trigger diabetes. You need to have an eye on that as well. Have more food in liquid form and have a natural diet. On Saturday, if you think you can talk to your friend this week about any lack of emotional fulfillment in your love life, think again. Their opinions and voices will only serve to confuse you even more. In fact, you might unwittingly reveal information about your partner that is private and end up hurting your love connection more than anything else. If you're single, then you have an opportunity to review why you might be so emotionally closed from receiving love from another person. Why are you playing the avoidance game in dating? Today might help you change your social scene and your mindset. On Sunday, Saturn continues to move through your romance sector, giving you a taste of what is really limiting you in matters of the heart. You may feel lonely or more isolated than usual, especially if you're single. It's possible that you wonder if you'll ever have the love you crave. However, with Saturn in this part of your chart, you've got a major karmic lesson in love ahead. Define what you know you deserve in love and take a responsible approach to getting it. Roll up your sleeves and do the work, and then lasting love will be yours. Mars spends his final week in your true love sector, giving you plenty of steam in the love department. If you're single, your craving for love is ramped up. Because of this, you might take a subtle yet direct approach to getting your heart's desire. How will you accomplish this? A solid wink and smile at someone you're crushing over before you turn your head is one example. Or you might flirt with someone through social media. Don't miss this cosmic opportunity to engage with your next potential love mate. Make a move.
Money and career.
Monday will find you in a good position. You will be successful in your activities and progress will also be very fine. This is the ideal day for fulfilling your desires. Venus is moving in a sector for short travels, communication and networking. There will be a lot of projects and that can be tiring as well. So you need to do a lot of multitasking. Those who work in media, communication and electronics will have more work. Those who work as teachers and counselors also will have new projects. This is a busy time and you have to have a specific plan for your work. Mars will start triggering your professional relationships too. This will bring a lot of opportunities to be visible in the social domain. You will try to expand your business too. However, there are chances for arguments as well. On Tuesday, students should try to widen the horizons of their knowledge by engaging themselves in practical fieldwork. This week is best suited for practical experience of various aspects of your studies. It would also be a good idea to join some creative courses during this period. Engineering students will need to work really hard to achieve desired results. To get even better results in examinations, we recommend that students study in a group. This will undoubtedly benefit them the most. Students intending to migrate abroad can commence formalities for the same during this week. We recommend students to meditate during times of stress. Wednesday is a period about good news in your employment picture. If you've been languishing in a job you hate or wishing you could find something that pays more, you'll be able to attract more creative job offerings now and even leave on good terms with great references. Aspects indicate a pay bump that could help clear up the bills. On Thursday, you have a period of opportunity but also instability regarding employment and health. It's important to be ready to take action because a new position may come unexpectedly. Don't quit your job before you're sure the new one will work out. With the universe affecting your communication, it's imperative to get everything in writing before gambling with your funds. On Friday, teachers, counselors, and HR people will be looking for new opportunities. There will be some projects from the media and publishing sector as well. Work related travel can also come up. Mars is moving through the sector for team ventures and collective projects. This is a very good time for joining new teams. Projects from the scientific and technical communication sector can also come up. You will try to start a long-term project. Projects from international organization are also seen. However, there are chances for arguments with your teammates. You should avoid that. This is a good time to work for children and youth groups as well. You should be very keen on your own ventures. Martian influence can make you very aggressive, so be careful while investing in risky ventures. On Saturday, Mars is moving through the sector for career and bosses during this week. This is an ideal place for Mars and that will make you very ambitious. However, Mars indicates struggles as well. There will be certain projects which can be very challenging. You will get enough opportunities to promote your career. New opportunities to start a new project or a new team can also come up. Opportunities from the creative sector can also come up and that will be short-term projects. This is a good time to keep a good relationship with your colleagues. New colleagues and new opportunities can also come up. On Sunday, Mars is moving through the sector for foreign collaborations. This is a very good opportunity for working for foreign companies. Projects from the media and mass communication related sectors can also come up. There will be some issues for bloggers. Spiritualists and mentors will also have some opportunities. Venus is influencing your team settings and creativity, so you can assume that you will be having some team discussions. There will be a lot of opportunities to join a new team as well.
To get your daily prediction updates from our team of psychics, subscribe to Highest Good and click on the bell notification and never miss a prediction.